catching them vehicle by vehicle. I'll tell you who's next. It's Mr. Coco, Mr. Dwayne Coco. He's not cuckoo. He got his truck done by me. 6-time award winning. Not a detailer patting another detailer on the back for a good job of buying their products. No, my clients have deemed me worthy of being the best in Acadiana. What did he get? Ceramic Pro Gold. Boom, 4 layers of 9H, 1 layer of top coat, comes in for his annual inspection. His truck will perform year after year after year after year. So yeah, you can go to the second-rate places, get your silicon dioxide based formulas that'll fail in 2 years, or you can come and get the best Ceramic Pro